turn off some of my lights. Just doing feeding time in the Oscar tank. And the blue Parrot Convicts. I've got a fry somewhere in there. I don't see them though. Oh. We noticed them yesterday, hanging out in that spot there. Oh, there's one. So they keep bullying the Oscars and the Bisher and the yo-yo loaches. Somewhere in there is the sunshine pleco. Alright everybody, you'll get camera time. Holy. I swear those little convicts rule the tank. Let's go around the side and see if we can't see him in there. There. Oh, there's a spot of the glass I missed. Yeah, I don't see the sunshine pleco in there. He likes to hide under those rocks. Wonder if I can get the spotlight out. Let's get the spotlight out and have a look. Apparently there's a snail under there. Oh, there he is. He's underneath. Oh, get out of the way, big guy. The one rock there. He's under the back corner of this rock. You can just see his tail right there. Oh well. One of these days I'll actually get a video or a picture of him outside of it. But yay, feeding time. Let's see, let's get everybody up to the top here. I don't know if they'll come up because I turned the light off. Probably not. Alright, well, anyway. I just wanted to show these two little turkeys here rule the monster tank. They bully these guys all over the place. There we go. They'll chase the Viasure away. Oh, excuse me. Oh, jeepers creepers. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Have yourself a, excuse me, a good day.